As a man, it is never, never your job to protect your woman from other men. That's her battlefield, her test, her responsibility. A loyal woman doesn't need a leash. A respectful woman doesn't need a watchtower. She enforces her own walls, locks the gates, and makes it impossible for another man to even approach. A woman without loyalty is like a city without walls, vulnerable, weak, and ready to be conquered. The way of the adulterous woman, she eats and wipes her mouth and says, "I have done no wickedness." Proverbs 30:20. She won't flirt, she won't entertain, she won't accidentally let things slide. She will shut it down before it even begins. But the moment she starts laughing at his jokes, answering his messages, keeping him around as a friend, she is already testing the waters of betrayal. Understand this. A woman never accidentally cheats. She calculates, she plans, she tests, she builds up to it. A woman never just gets caught up in the moment. She knew exactly what she was doing. She was lining up her next move before you even noticed. A woman never flirts, but it means nothing. Everything a woman does is intentional, and you, fool, think your job is to check other men, to argue with her, to make her loyal. Pathetic. Do not give your strength to women, nor your ways to that which destroys kings. Proverbs 31:3. You don't protect her from other men. You observe how she handles them. And if she's entertaining them, if she's inviting the enemy into your home, your job is not to warn, not to beg, not to fight. Your job is to leave. She is not yours. She was never yours. She belongs to the streets, and the streets can have her. You think you need to warn her? To tell her she messed up? She already knows. The second you catch her entertaining another man, she has already planned your replacement. And you, the weak man, will stay, argue, cry, plead for her loyalty. A real man, a man of strength, he leaves, silently, mercilessly, without looking back. The fool who watched his girlfriend embarrass him, only for Omelette to toss her aside like a used tissue. He should have walked away instantly. Instead, he stood there like a clown, watching his own humiliation unfold. A real man doesn't argue over a woman. A real man doesn't beg for respect. A real man doesn't negotiate loyalty. You don't fight for a woman's attention. You don't explain why you're leaving. You don't fix a woman who has disrespected you. You erase her. You block her. You forget her. You let her be another man's burden. Because the truth is stone cold. A woman who even thinks about another man is already lost. A woman who keeps options is just waiting for the next opportunity to betray you. A woman who disrespects you once will do it again. And worse. She is not your woman. She is community property. And you don't share. So remove sorrow from your heart and put away evil from your flesh. Ecclesiastes 11:10. You drop her back into the trash where she came from. No second chances, no discussions, no, we need to talk. Just ghost her. Let her rot in her own regrets. You don't argue, you don't warn, you don't beg. Because a real man never competes for loyalty. If she isn't giving it 100% naturally and effortlessly, she was never yours. So let her go. Let her experience the regret of losing a real man. And when she finally realizes what she lost, make sure she can never reach you again. She belongs to the streets, and the streets have no return policy. Indeed, the hypocrites deceive Allah, but He outwits them. And when they stand for prayer, they do so lazily, only showing off before people and hardly remembering Allah at all. Quran 4:142. She was never real, just a shadow, and shadows fade. Now, walk away. If this video woke you up, subscribe for more raw, unfiltered truth. Hit the like button so more men can escape the lie. And if you're still doubting, rewind this video and let it sink in. For the men who are ready to level up, to dominate, to master themselves and penetrate the female mind at the deepest level, my book, Dark Code, is the key. This is not a book for the faint of heart. It's a blueprint for psychological dominance, strategic thinking, and complete control over your life and relationships. If you want the edge, the upper hand, the power, this is it. Get your copy of Dark Code now. Link in the description or my bio. You can comment book and I will DM you the link to check out. Stay sharp, stay ruthless, stay untouchable, stay Putinized.